Barbecue gloves, essential for grilling safely. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very specific but interesting phrase in the English language: barbecue gloves. This might seem simple, but it's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's dive in and understand what barbecue gloves are and why they're important. Barbecue gloves is a compound noun. In English, compound nouns are formed by combining two or more words to create a new meaning. Here, barbecue refers to a method of cooking food over fire, often outdoors. Gloves are a type of clothing that covers your hands. So, barbecue gloves are gloves designed specifically for use when barbecuing. Barbecue gloves are important for several reasons. First, they protect your hands from heat and flames. Regular gloves aren't suitable for this because they can catch fire or melt. Barbecue gloves are made from materials that can withstand high temperatures. They also provide a better grip on barbecue tools, making it safer and easier to handle food. There are different types of barbecue gloves available. Some are made of leather, which is durable and heat-resistant. Others might be made from silicone or other synthetic materials that are flexible and waterproof. The choice depends on personal preference and the specific requirements of the barbecue activity. In many English-speaking countries, barbecuing is a popular social activity, especially in the summer. Understanding terms like barbecue gloves can be helpful in social contexts, as it reflects a part of the lifestyle and culture in these countries. I hope this video helps you understand not just the term barbecue gloves, but also a bit about how English creates new meanings by combining words. Stay safe and enjoy your grilling adventures. See you in the next video.